Alright, welcome again to my channel. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to fix a standing fan. If you watch this video from beginning to end, you'll be able to fix your own electric fan perfectly. You need screwdrivers and then maybe a plug. The use of the plug is even limited in this work. You may need only your screwdrivers to be able to fix up your standing fan. Alright. And so if you get the standing fan, we have different brands, but the way to fix them is much similar. So if you are able to follow this video, you should be able to fix any other standing fan that you buy. Most of the time when you buy a standing fan, just like on this box, you have a drawing of the fan on it. So we have the base, you have the middle part, and then you have the top. Okay, and so when we open this box, we should see items that will be able to make up a base like this, and then a top like this. All right, so this brand is from LB. Okay, so follow me as I show you how to fix up your own fan. So first of all, we have to open it. Okay, so we have this. So this is the motor. And this is the blade. Okay. And these are our guards. This will protect people from getting contact with the blade. Okay. So these are all we have inside that box. All right. Okay, so this is how we start. First of all, we set the base. And so from the items we have here, when you look on the drawing, or when you look at the drawing on the box, you realize that these four are going to form the base of the fan. And so we connect all four to the center like this. Then this goes like this. And this goes like this. And this goes like this. Okay. So we are done. We are done fixing the base of the fan. Alright. Then this is going to be the stand. So here will be connected between the motor and then the base. Okay, so here I'll need the plier to pull this out. Alright. Okay. The next thing is that we insert the stand into the base. Okay. We'll lower this a little. Alright, so I have to send it down. Alright, so like this here, you can use it to extend it up or down. Okay. So you use this side to tighten it, to secure it. The next thing we do here is to bring the motor up. Alright, so when you look at it critically, this part is going to enter into this small slot here, and then we secure it with this screw. So what it means is that we have to return this screw a little before we set it into the stand. Alright. Alright, so I'll make use of my screw here. We bring this one back a little. Okay, then we fix it. So here, this round slot is going to enter the round hole like this. Okay, after that we tighten the side screw. All right, good. So the next thing we have to do is to fix the blade to the shaft of the motor. So this is the motor and this is the shaft of the motor. All right. Before we bring the blade, we have to fit the guard. The guards are two. There is one at the back like this, and then one will cover it after we have fixed the blade. So there are screws already inside. So we'll remove these screws. 1, 2, 3, then 4. Okay. So after removing them, we bring this one back. So there are indications here. All right, so here it's supposed to be up. So we fix it like this. Then we bring back the screws. 1, 2, 3, then 4. All right. So the next thing we bring the blade. This is the blade, and there is a slot here which has to enter into this pin that is fixed here to block it from getting contact with the wood. And so you have to turn it properly to align with the pin there. Okay. Okay. All right. So this will hold the blade onto the shaft so it doesn't fall out. We tighten it anti-clockwise so it will go like this, so that as the fan continues to work, it will not remove accidentally. So we tighten it anti-clockwise. Okay, that one perfectly done. And then we bring the top cover. There are lockers on the guard, so you make sure you lock it properly. Okay, that is our standing fan ready to blow some air. Okay, it's on, but there is a switch on the fan itself. The motor has a switch on it, so we have to turn it before it starts working. So let's start and see. Okay, so this is how it works. So when we press this knob, then it will blow either way, left and then right. All right, so thank you very much. I believe you have learned something from this short video. If you have done, you can share it with your friends you think will also learn something from it. If you have not subscribed yet, I will encourage you to subscribe so you continue to learn how to fix little electrical problems on